Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally with Rachel Harris. I'm so happy that you could stop by. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the likes, and thank you for subscribing. It's greatly appreciated. In this video, I will be making a Bentonite clay mask for my hair. I've been using Bentonite clay mask for a few years during my my healthy hair journey. I've been natural since 2006, and in 2010 I embarked on a healthy hair journey. I started researching different products, techniques, and methods to grow my hair long and to keep it healthy and keep it strong. And so in this video I want to share how I make my Bentonite clay mask, and I want to also go over the benefits of the ingredients that the products to use to make this mask. So we're going to start with Bentonite clay. I have here is from the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. That's the clay I'll be using. Next, we have the Lily of the Desert Aloe Vera Juice. I'll be using that. And last but not least, I'll be using from the Bragg Organic line, the apple cider vinegar. Okay. And other tools I'll be using, you're going to need a mixing bowl and a spoon. And you're going to need some measuring tools if you want to be more precise. I have a half a cup. I have 1 cup, and I have 1/4 cup for this recipe. Also, I have gloves. Gloves is optional. You don't have to use it. Okay, let's get to the facts and the information about these products. The benefits of Bentonite clay for the hair: it removes buildup. Say you remove buildup from products. Say you use like butters and oils and leave-in conditioners and all types of different products, and over time it can cause buildup to the hair. And every now and again a mask like this is good to remove all that buildup, to get your hair started on a clean slate, that the next time you apply your products it can perform and work best for your hair. Next, it has minerals that help to strengthen the hair and promote hair growth. We all want some strong hair, some healthy hair, right? So this mask is the right one for you. It'd be the right one for you. And it also detoxifies and helps by removing dead skin cells from the scalp. Is in order for you to have healthy hair growth, you must have a healthy scalp. And this mask also helps with creating a wonderful environment for your scalp so that your hair can grow and flourish and be beautiful. The next product is the aloe vera. The benefits of the aloe vera is it has an enzyme called proteolytic enzyme. And that enzyme is used to repair dead skin cells on your scalp. And it also acts as a great conditioner, which causes your hair to be smooth and shiny. And it also helps with hair growth. And last but not least, we have the apple cider vinegar. And that's an antifungal, antibacterial. And it helps to fight scalp infections such as dryness, scalp infections like dryness and itchiness and dandruff. So if you struggle with all these issues with your hair, if your hair is not strong enough, or if you have dry scalp, or if you struggle with itchiness and dandruff and all of that, maybe you can try this mask, and see if it works for you. And if there's anything in these products that may not work over time for you, you could switch it up. You could also use just the clay and water, or you could simplify it to your needs. But I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's begin. gloves on. Okay, so let's start. So for this recipe, we're going to use 1 cup of Bentonite Clay. Just 1 cup, and we'll pour it into this. And depending on the thickness of your hair, you could use more or less. So it's 1 cup of Bentonite Clay. Pour that in there. That's 1 cup. Next, we're going to do 1/2 cup of aloe vera juice. 1/2 cup. We're going to pour that in there. Half a cup. Half a cup. I'll pour that in there at once, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it. Okay. I'm gonna mix it. Okay. It's starting to clump. It's starting to clump together. See that? I poured that in there and it starts to clump, but I'm not looking for a clumpy consistency. I'm looking for a smooth, yogurty consistency. So what I'm gonna do is going to add some water, a little bit of water at a time, just so that I can get the consistency I'm looking for. A little bit of that, and start mixing. Start mixing. Start mixing that. Okay. Start mixing that. Add some more water. Okay, it's starting to get there, getting there. Okay. And after this video, you can also check out my latest video. Have a video that I posted making perfume mist, making a perfume mist. Very simple. It's a very simple ingredients I used in that video. So feel free, after this video you can check out my that video on my channel page. So just gonna keep mixing and keep mixing that. Then next I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup. Add 1/4 cup. I don't want too much of the apple cider vinegar. A little bit. This 1/4 cup right there. I don't want too much of that. So again, I put the Aztec clay, then I put the aloe vera juice and mixed it, and then when I noticed that it was a little bit too clumpy, that's when I used the water to pour in there just to get it to become more smoother, to create a more smoother texture. And then I mixed that. Now then I poured the apple cider vinegar As you can, I don't know if you can hear it, it's starting to fizzle. I poured the apple cider vinegar in there, and then I'm going to continue the mixture. Continue to mix it. So, I'm going to pause this video and mix up my ingredients. Then I'll get right back to you and show you the final result. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back, and now here's the final result of my Bentonite Clay mask. As you can see, it's not too runny, and I would say it's not too thick either. It's like a yogurt consistency, I would say. Just the right texture for me. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. You just add less. What you'll do, you probably just have to add less ingredients, and also consider the thickness of your hair, or if your hair is thinner, probably could use less product. But I like the yogurty consistency, because then when I apply it to my hair, it's gonna apply evenly and distribute evenly into my hair strands, and give me the even coverage that I'm looking for. So you can try this treatment as well and see if you like it. If you like it, you can come back to the channel and comment below how it helped you. And you could tweak it. You could put, add, take away, anything you like to do. You would like to do, you can do it with this treatment. And so thank you for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe to my channel. And also, I'm going to be having another video coming up where I'll show you how I apply this treatment mask into my hair. So thank you for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.